Hello dear students, good morning to all. This is Rumi Shaha and welcome to our first online class for Standard 3 subject Bangladesh and Global Studies. I think all of you are safe at your home. I hope so. I know you all heard the world is going through a tough time in which we can't go out of the house at the moment. But do you know that we don't have time to sit in? We always have to save energy to resist bad times. That is why we have to keep ourselves safe from home. So, my dear friends, what do you have to do now? We must wash our hands by the soap for minimum 20 seconds or not sanitize our hand by the hand rub. Is it clear, students? Okay. Though we can go to school, so we have started our online class. Okay, my dear students, can I start now? Take your book, BGS, page number 5, unit 1, page number 28. Okay, dear students, we are going to start our journey. This is day 1. The date is 12, 05 and 20. The chapter name is chapter 5, Human Qualities. Human qualities is those qualities what makes a man good. This is a quality which makes a man good personality, and all the people likes a man. Okay, qualities of a good person. Qualities of a good person. In human qualities, in this chapter, we can know the student about the different qualities, good qualities and bad qualities and activities of human beings. Men have some qualities, men have some activities in our society. In this chapter, we can know this. Let's start. Topic 1. Qualities of a good person. Qualities of a good person. Every person has some qualities. All person has some qualities. We know. Peoples are different because of those qualities. Peoples are different because of those qualities. Dear students, I have given you a lesson script before the 2 months ago. There is, I have given you some unknown words, some new words for the meaning. And there is, I have given some word meaning. Human qualities is Manusher Gunaboli. Human qualities is Manusher Gunaboli. Different. The meaning of different is alada. Meaning of different is alada. To learn about them, let's start with a story. To learn about them, let's start with a story. Story is Golpo. Story is Golpo. Raju has brought his mother to his school. Raju has brought his mother to school for the farewell party of his favorite teacher, Jalal sir. Raju, here we have seen a picture. Here is a classroom. There is a teacher and some of students are listening him. This is the teacher Jalal sir. The teacher Jalal sir. Okay. This is the farewell day of this sir. Raju has brought his mother in this farewell party of his favorite teacher Jalal sir. The head teacher makes a speech. Head teacher makes a speech saying, Jalal sir is a good and honest man. Jalal sir is a good and honest man. Honest men, those who are good men. Honest men are those who are good men. They never tell a lie, tells lie. They help the other. They respect elder and love youngers. Those are honest men who never harm others. Those are honest men. We need more people like him. We need more people like him. Like whom? Jalal sir. Like whom? Jalal sir. Like Jalal sir, we need more people. Raju whispers to his mother. Whisper is fish fish kore bola. Whisper is fish fish kore bola. Whisper to his mother. What does a good man mean? What does a good man mean? Good man is the good person who never harm others, who always behave well with the others, who speak the truth. They are good men. But mother replies, his mother replies, what we know now? Good people behave well with everyone. Good people behave well with everyone. They never harm others. They never harm others. Behave well is behave well ভালো ব্যবহার করা. Behave well is ভালো ব্যবহার করা. They never harm others. Harm is ক্ষতি করা. Some of people there are who trying to harm of others, but good people never harm others, but help others. But help other. They speak the truth. Truth is সত্য কথা বলা. We know truth is সত্য কথা বলা. They respect the old. They respect the old. Respect is সম্মান করা. We respect our elder. We respect our teacher. We respect our father, mother, grandfather, uncle, aunt, like this. This is called respect. This is called respect. They love old and young alike. তারা বড় ছোট সবাইকে লাভ করে. They follow rules. তারা কখনো rules break করে না. They follow rules. We also must follow the rules. They keep their promises. They keep their promises. Promises is প্রতিজ্ঞা করা. Promises হচ্ছে প্রতিজ্ঞা করা. Everyone likes good people. Everyone likes a good people just as you like Jalal sir. Just like as you like Jalal sir. This is Jalal sir. And students are like him. Students are like him. We also like a honest man, good man, a honest teacher, good teacher, right? Everyone like good people just as you like Jalal sir, right student? If you can develop those qualities, we also want to develop this type of qualities. People will like you and say you are a good person. If I develop these types of quality, people will must like me and say I am a good person. Students, page number 29. Next page, go to next page. Page number 29. Qualities of a good people. A good people has some qualities we know already. The quality of speak the truth, help others, never harm of others, and try to behave well with others. Okay. Now number D, give a short answer. Give a short answer. Why should we be good people? Why should we be good people? Why, dear? Tell me. Because if we be good people, so everybody likes us. Everybody likes us. If we be good people, right student? If we be good people, everybody likes us. Okay? Go next page. Page number 30. Page number 30. And topic 2. And topic 2. Here we have seen some picture. There is a picture, a blind man, he is trying to cross the road, and a little girl, she is helping a blind man. This is a good deed. This is a good deed. Doing good deeds. Doing good deeds. We already know good deed is bhalo kaj. Good deed is bhalo kaj. We should respect our elders. We should respect our elders. Elders is borojon. Elders is borojon. যারা আমার চেয়ে বয়সে বড়, they are called elders. Help other and treat people equally. We should respect our elders, help other and treat people equally. Treat is help kora. Treat is seva kora, help kora. People equally, not different way. We will respect all in same way. We will help others in same way, equally. We should speak the truth and behave well to everybody. We should speak the truth and behave well to everybody. Of course, we will behave well to everybody. We should love all and follow the rules. We should love all and must follow the rules. Follow the rules of school, follow the rules of our family, follow the rules of any social functions. We must follow these. These are all good deeds. These are all good deeds. Let us look a picture of a good deed on the right. Look, there is an example of good deed. Have you seen? There is a girl and she is trying to cross the road of the blind man. It is a good deed. Okay? Okay? Do you see a man? He is the happy poor man. The happy poor man. The man. Have you seen this picture of this man? True story. True story is সত্য গল্প, সত্য ঘটনা, সত্য গল্প. Okay? Okay, let's start. Know the true story. One day, our newspaper reported a true story of a poor man. One day, a newspaper reported a true story of a poor man. Poor is যাদের who have little money, who are trying to day by the little money. Those are called poor men. And reported is chapa. Reported is chapa. We know the newspaper. It's come to our house every morning. We are start our life by the read the newspaper. While he was walking in the street, he found a bag full of money. Wow, that's excellent moment. While he was walking in the morning, maybe in the morning, in the afternoon, in the street is road. He found is খুঁজে পেয়েছিলে a bag full of money. There were lots of money. He did not keep the money. He is a good man, so he didn't take the money for himself. He handed the bag to the police station. He handed is কোনো কিছু কারো কাছে হস্তান্তর করা, কোনো কিছু কারো কাছ থেকে কারো কাছে দিয়ে দেয়া। জিনিসটা আমার না, আমি তাকে দিয়ে দিলাম। দ্যাট ইজ হ্যান্ডেড, হস্তান্তর করা। টু দ্য পুলিশ স্টেশন. পুলিশ স্টেশন ইজ পুলিশের থানা, where police are working. Everybody read about this good deed. Everybody read about this good deed. Some of them gave him a reward. Some of people give him a reward. Reward is purushkrita kora. And they all praises him. Yes, he is a good man. So everybody praises him. Praises is proshonsha kora. Praises mean proshonsha kora. Okay. Go next page. Page number 31. Page number 31. And discuss with your friend. What do you do good deed? Why do you do good deed? Why do you do good deed? Can you say? Yes, I know. Why do you do good deed? If I do good deeds, everyone in the society will love me. That is why I do good deeds. Why do you do good deed? I do good deed because if I do good deed, everyone in this society love me. Okay. Why do you not do bad deed? Why do you not do bad deeds? I do not do any bad deeds because if I do any bad deeds, everybody hates me. Everybody hates me. They don't love me. So I do not do any bad deeds. Okay. Okay. Next one. Good deed and bad deed. Good deed and bad deed. You will write a list under the headings. There is good deed, there is bad deed. Okay. Good deed is speak the truth, help the poor. Bad deed is lying and harm to others. These are bad deeds. Okay. Dear students, here we get some fill in the blanks in our book. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Everyone in the society dash a good person. Everyone in society dash a good person. So what will be there? There will be likes a good person. Likes a good person. Everyone in society likes a good person. We should always, what will be there? Respect the elders. We should always respect elders. There will be respect. The respect elders. We should try to help others in need. There will be help. Okay, dear student, I have given you some extra fill in the blanks in your lesson script. You will practice at home and show me your SW. And okay, students, here are some fill in the blanks which I have given you from your book. You will read the paragraph properly and then solve the answer. And you should have to submit your HW. Match the column with side A and side B. This is the already known to you. I have already practiced it previous classes. So now I am giving you the solution. Good people behave well with, what will be there? Good people behave well with everyone. Good people never harm others. To keep words is a good quality of a good man. We should always respect the elders. We must help the poor. Okay, students, this is the matching for today, and there will be you have make some change 1 plus D and 2 plus C. Okay, and short answer, name the qualities of a good teacher. Name the qualities of a good teacher. The qualities of a good teacher are: he or she is an honest man who respects the truth, abides by the law, respect the elders and love the youngers, etc. All are the qualities of a good teacher. All are the qualities of a good teacher. Okay, go next one. Give an example of a good deed. Give an example of a good deed. When you see a blind man trying to cross the road, if I help him, it will be an example of good deed. Is it simple? Yes, I know. It's very simple to you. When I see a blind man trying to cross the road, if I help him, it will be an example of a good deed. Okay, go next one. Name one bad deed none should do. Name one bad deed none should do. What is bad deed? Bad deed is tell a lie, to stealing, to harm of others, etc. are bad deeds. And that name the bad deeds. So we can write here: to tell a lie is a bad deed. To tell a lie is a bad deed. We should never tell a lie. We should never tell a lie. If you find money on the road, what should you do? If you find money on the road, what should you do? Of course, I will back the money to him, that man who have lost his money. Otherwise, if I get money on the road, I shall hand over the money to the class teacher of my school. If I get money on the road, suppose when you coming to school, you will get some money on the road. You must hand over the money to the class teacher of your school. Why do you do good deeds? Why do you good deeds? Already we know, we have learned it previous time. If I do good deed, everyone in the society will love me. Yes, that is why I do good deed. That is why I do good deeds. Okay. Number 4. Give long answers. Give long answers. Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? Which human qualities allow us to do good deeds? The qualities that help us to do good deeds are given below. Which are them? The students, the qualities are truthfulness, honesty, discipline, moral quality. All are the good deeds. All are the human qualities of good deeds. Truthfulness. This helps a man to do good deed. Truthfulness helps a man to do good deed. Of course it. Honesty. It helps a man go to the right path. It helps a man go to the right path. Yes, if we be honest, we never go to wrong way. Discipline. It helps a man build good habit. It helps a man build good habits. If we be disciplined, we never fail. Moral quality. It helps a man to be good and ideal. Moral quality. It helps a man to be good and ideal. Ideal. Okay. Which human quality would you most like to be known for? Which human quality would you most like to known for? Which quality? I want to be known in the society by some good deeds. Which are them? These are, okay, let's read. By always speaking the truth, this is very easy to us. By helping the helpless and the poor, this is the quarantine time, this is the corona time, and this is a tough time. So we should, if we help the poor person, that will be the helping the helpless, and it will be the good for our society. By respect the elders and love the youngers, we should must respect the elders and love our younger. By avoiding the rules of the society, we should must avoid the rules of the society, otherwise the society rules will be break down and society will be damaged. By keeping good terms with all, by keeping good terms with all there is different types of people in our society. If we keep good terms with all, the society will be happy, the man will be happy. Okay, dear students, this is the ending of our new class and your HW. HW will be fill in the blanks which you have already got in your practice sheet, and short question from A to E, that means 1 2 3 4 5, and you should must practice at your home, otherwise okay student, do the SW and practice, and see you at our next class. Till then, stay safe and stay fine. Okay, see you. Goodbye all.